Hi. Hey guys. Nakaganto ba yun? No? Nakabili na ba kayo ng ticket?
Hindi pa. Pamaya na kayo. Ito, pamaya sa kabibili. Maxi Productions. Ganun, Maxi Productions. Sige. Productions.
May S, di ba?
Meron. Oo.
Mare, mabawasan naman ng lamig oh. Baka maging hotdog na ako.
Kuya, pa yung ng konti ko yung aircon.
Kunti lang po, mga 20 po. Okay na po. Station. See you sa bakuran.
See you sa bakuran ko. Sa mga gustong bumili ng ticket dyan kayo makakabili. I'm gonna be singing with the one and only KZ Dantinga, bitch. And who else? Who else? Who else? Katrina Velarde. Ah! My God. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Yeah. Tapos, anong gusto niyo marinig na kanta? Ay, wala. Okay.
Ayaw pa nilang kumanta action.
Ano bang gusto niyo marinig? Ano? Ano ba?
Sample?
Oo, sample tayo, mga ano.
Ano ka, piano ka, babe? Dali.
Easy go. This is how you are. Oh, take it home. But darling, that's a catch a grenade for you. Throw my heat on a blade for you. And I'm in front of the train, but don't do anything, but I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. 'Cause I will die for you, baby. Magre-rehearsal na ako ngayon. Wala, update ko lang sa inyo.
Kasi hindi pa kayo bumibili ng ticket na down. Aki, ikaw nga, ano? Grenade.
Yung nagano nga siya.
Samplean ko lang ito action na to.
B minor, A minor, B flat, F. Ano siya? Ang chord?
Ano?
A minor.
But darling, that's a catch a grenade for you.
Kasi baka nagme-message siya dito.
I jump in front of the train for. Pansin mo kung nakabili na ako. Pati ng proof of purchase.
Sa isip ko rin.
Ayan, si Aki. Yung tomboy kong ano, musical director. Yun siya. Tomboy yan, guys.
Umisa?
Easy go, that's just how you are. Oh, take it on. To give you all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I got your grenade for you. Throw my hand on a blade for you. I jump in front of the train for you. You know I'll do anything for you. Oh, I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. Oh, no. But you won't do the same, baby. Oh,
Diba? Di nyo na napanood ng ano kasi, ay, then thinking of you. You're like an alien, somewhere in the middle of the winter lake. Her heart candy be the surprise center. How could I give better ones I had? Pero mga lyrics. The waters out of time. You said move on, where do I go? Oh. Kantiin natin yun, no? Cause when I'm with home, I am thinking of you, babe. Thinking of you. You are the one who was spending the night. Sorry. Ganun ba yun? Spending the night. You're like an alien, summer in the middle of the winter, like a hard candy, bitter surprise center. How could I get better ones than wala yan dyan, Jolly. Sa ano? The weather's out of time. You said move on, where do I go? Oh, no. Cause when I'm with home, I am thinking of you, babe. Okay. Ito tayo sa ano. Ay, galing. Wala kang ano dyan? Ay, gabi kinakopyahan ka pala. Nabilog na ako eh. Nakita ko yung cellphone ko eh.
Chords lang po talaga.
Okay. Kahit kantayin natin maayos. Para sa inyo. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of the winter, like a hard candy with a surprise center. How do I get better ones I had? The best you said us, turn a fish in the water, so the waters I won't ask. He said your lips that taste your mouth. Oh, he pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you. Thinking of you. What you are doing? Walang taas. You were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes. She kissed my lips, that taste your mouth. Oh, he pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. Tama ba? Cause when I'm with her, I am thinking of you. Thinking of you. What you were doing. You are the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best. Yes, I do regret. How could I let myself to let you go? Aralin na lang muna to na siya, no? Bago na kantahin sa publiko, no? Napahiya man tayo, wala tayong kinanong. Yung keyboardist, naging balista na. Sorry.
Sorry guys, nandito pa kami at nagre-rehearse kami ngayon for Bakuran session. Kaya wala pa kayong naririnig na matino ngayon kasi nire-rehearse pa talaga siya kami.
We have not yet. Keyboardist. Keyboardist.
Gusto niyo ba marinig yung You woke me up from this long yung pailong from this long and ever sleep. Diba? Dami yung request sa mga songs. Kaya pumunta kayo sa Bakuran para makanta natin yung mga pagpilit dyan.
Lima na lang kasi.
Oh my God! 5 na lang ang ticket. Sold out na. Yung VIP. 5 na lang po. Bumili na kayo dahil. And you are there. You are everything I never seen. You woke me up from this long. Kala nyo dyan ah. I will survive. Ganda lang. You woke me up from this long. Hindi ako alis dito hanggat di mo kami pinapansin. Eh, di man dyan ka lang hanggang tomorrow. Hello po.
Si Mabrina po.
Ay, yung owner na to, Maxi.
Hello po.
Kayo po yung daughter ni Miss Ana po? Okay po. Hello po. Hello po. Nice to meet you.
Ang ganda ng tattoo ni Miss Brina.
Minimalist.
Oo, pretty
Si
lang.
Maxi po.
Aesthetic lang, no, madam?
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. Kung tayo talaga kung na may step. Yan na yun. Hindi ka na naman nagbayad ng wifi natin. Miss Brina, ang taga naman. Ay, talaga may ari. Oh. Ay, gusto ko yun. I know that's how I whisper, and I know just how to cry. How to cry. I know just where to find the answer, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to see the face the truth, and then I know just where to leave, and I know just where to touch you, and I know just about to prove. I know how to pull you closer, and I know just where to lose, and I know that I is faded, and I know the time's gonna fly, and I'm never gonna tell you everything I'm gonna tell you. Never gonna say I am try, but I know the road to riches, and I know the way to fame. I know all the rules, but then I know how to break it, and I know. Ano yung sunod? I know all the rules, but then I know how to break it, and I put it on the guitar today. Living without you, do you really wanna see me crawl? And I don't know how to leave you, making love out of nothing at all, making love out of nothing at all, making love out of nothing at all, making love
Siya rin yung
out of nothing at all, making love out of nothing at all. May ticket pa ba, be? 5 na lang talaga, be. Kaya bumili ka na, be. Kasi pag hindi mo ito na-experience, pagsisisihan mo. Charot lang. Ayun na sila. Ayun na sila.
one night.
Ano daw?
Pakita mo kay Maxi one night ko. One song.
Ah, sige, yung ano lang ha. Try ko lang. Try lang natin yung ano, yung verse. You want all my love,
in my devotion. Ganun talaga kahit yun. You want my love and soul right on the line. I have no doubt that I could love you forever. The only... Sino sintonado sa ating dalawa?
Ayusin mo.
You really don't have to tell. Tama na yun. Ang taas. Dati, bata ako, maling-mali na yun sa atin.
Ready ka na?
Ready na ako. Ikaw, ready ka na ba?
Sobrang ready na.
Oh, press the button if you're ready. Yun, guys.
Baba natin.
Kahit,
Start ko na muna umpisa, Ben.
oo.
Kailangan nito si Hannah.
All you gotta do is dream. Dream, baby. We'll be there, no? Ganito lang kami mag-rehearse dito. Chill-chill lang. Mamaya pa yung sigawan eh.
Maaga pa kasi.
Maaga pa kasi. Isa pa lang namin.
Wait lang, magbigay ka na ng update siya. Wait lang, mamimigay na kasi. Para
Okay, I'm gonna give you some updates.
para hindi na makapost si Mark.
FD then, yeah.
Okay?
Sorry.
Baba natin ang good morning sa video.
Ha? Oo.
Saan tayo sa...
Di Marlo. Yung kanina.
Kapag binasa mo to, bibila ko ng SVIP with meet and greet. Gawin mo. Gawin mo.
Tayo na yun talaga.
Di kita uurungan, Chay.
Tayo na.
Sobrang ganda ng script. Tatlo lang!
We have 3 SVIP ticket left. So, if you guys wanna watch me sa aking bakuran, just buy your ticket now. Kasi kung hindi pa kayo bibili tonight, today, tomorrow,
Tatlo na lang?
where are you bang bed?
I know, 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, magre-resume na kami ng... Ay, tara. Ay, hindi ah.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Ayun na. Bye guys! Magre-resume na po kami ng aming, what you call this? Rehearsals. Kasi pang ilan na talaga namin to. Kaya maraming rehearsals. So bye. I'll see you sa 23, sa May 23, sa aking bakuran. Okay? Am I gonna see you? Alright. Bye. Say bye-bye guys!